Welcome to the age of the side hustle. In 2024, a third of US Americans and over a half of millennials and Gen Zers will have multiple streams of income. And we're seeing this for a myriad of reasons. Most of the time, it's to pay off expenses that are looming, and other times it's for passion projects. But regardless of the reason, building a side hustle today has never been easier, and today I'm gonna walk you through how you can get started with your own brand for $0 down. With the help of the internet, technology, and partners like Gelato Print on Demand, it's never been easier to build something for your own without having to take on the risk of a bunch of additional expenses before you're actually seeing if this is realizable income. Print on Demand is a business model where products like t-shirts, mugs, wall art are all printed only after a customer actually purchases that product. Instead, you create designs and then upload them with a print on demand partner like my favorite Gelato, who when an order comes in, then prints the product, packages the order, and ships that order out to your customer, so that way you're only charged when an order is actually placed, and you make the difference between what you were charged for that product and what the customer actually paid. So it's a really cost-effective and affordable way to launch your own brand, even if it's just initially starting that brand out, or if you already have a business and have your own small business, it's an easy way to launch your own merch shop or something like that, where you don't want to have to manage and buy all this product just if you don't know if it's going to sell. You could launch something like this and make it an offering for your customers as another way to open up extra income. Now, let's get started. There are a few crucial steps to launching your own brand, but the first one is just understanding and choosing what you want to sell. I posted a video not too long ago where I walk through how to pick a niche and how to pick a profitable niche, so I'll link that above and below. But you may already have a really great idea, and now it just comes down to executing. So two things that I think are really great options in today's era is going to be launching a streetwear brand. Streetwear is something that it can be completely individual and is trending so well right now across every social platform and pretty much always will be. And another one is if you are a small business owner and you have your own business and you want to launch another stream of income, you could launch your own merch shop. Those are two really simple ways where you can kind of dabble into print on demand. And the other reason why I love print on demand is, let's say you have aspirations of owning your own Aloe one day. You want to be Aloe, you want to be Lululemon, and you're not sure how to get started. This is a really great way to start testing your ability to start a business and do design work, because it's really hard to immediately say, I'm going to go and buy 500 products and try to sell that. It's a lot easier to first test the market and understand if people actually want to buy this. And that's why I love print on demand. So once you have an idea of what you want to do, that's where we start, and we can actually start executing. So for me today, I have my own brand. I'm interested in merch, and so that for the sake of today, I'm gonna be launching my own Make It Ring merch line. So after you've decided what type of brand you're going to start, the next step is going to be design work. Now, I use multiple different platforms for designing, but the one I'm gonna be walking through today is going to be Kittl. And the reason I'm doing that is they have such amazing options for streetwear, logos, and all different types of marketing creative that I think will be perfect for slapping onto my Make It Rain merch. So if you come onto Kittl, you can very easily see all of the fun designs that they have, and you can sort through for marketing, social, stationery, branding. They even have little buttons you can choose when it comes to refining by style, like streetwear. For my theme, I'm going to try to find things that are kind of money related, because my channel is all about how to empower your life, build wealth. And so I think that there are a couple of ones that might fit that bill perfectly. And since this video is all about how you launch your brand in one day for free, Kittl is a really great platform that has a free offering, but not all of the features are available for free. You may have to upgrade to the pro feature, but they do offer a 7-day free trial. I'm gonna link them in the description below in case you wanna check them out. So once you find a design that you kind of like, and I think this is a perfect match for my niche, which is making money, and streetwear, which I kind of want to add a streetwear spin to my branded merch, because I think it'll be something that most people would connect with. And I also feel like just exudes that boss bee mentality, which is why I'm trying to get my mind right. And so this is one that I'm going to edit and make it a little bit more nuanced for myself, and then save it from there. Once you play around with Kittl, you can get your designs exactly the way that you want them, but this is where I'm gonna land on mine. As you can see here on the left, I love this streetwear, old money graphic with kind of vintagey feel. Kind of acts like it has a little bit of distress to it. I'm going to change that a little bit, and on the right side is going to be the one that I designed and edited. And so instead of saying old money, I like the saying of pockets heavy, be your own daddy, make your own sugar, make it rain. So that's going to be a shirt design for one t-shirt. And then I also like this quote, "Mom, I am a rich man." Imagine being Cher and just like spouting that off in an interview. Absolutely fantastic. But I love this little like cake, dainty, like have your cake, eat it too. So I've edited this design, and the one on the right is going to be my design that I'm going to utilize for my t-shirt as well. Once you feel comfortable with your designs, it's time to find your production partner. And today I'll be talking all about Gelato, which is one of my favorite production partners out there. Gelato is a top-tier print-on-demand provider with production in over 32 countries, meaning that you can sell globally but print locally, so that way your products get to your customers fast. Super high-end. They have options across personalization. You could even upscale your brand even further and offer customized packaging. So really amazing suite of products, and I love their catalog. And lucky for you, this video is all about how you get started for free. I was able to work with Gelato to get you the best offer. So if you click the link in the description below, you will see that you can start with Gelato absolutely for free. And not only that, but your first order of samples, if you choose to buy samples, are going to be at 50% off. So click the link in the description below to get started today. Once you create your account and log in, you're gonna go over to the product catalog, and you can already see the amazing range of products that they offer, and also how lifestyle-y and beautiful these images are. Just the quality is mwah, chef's kiss. We love it. Some of their best products are going to be their clothing options, but also their wall art. So many different options to start your own brand. And they also offer things that are more unique and personalizable, like photo books or calendars, which just offer a way to provide even more value to your customers. And I think that there is such a space for these types of products going into Q4. So anyways, I digress. But I'm gonna go with clothing because this is my merch company. So once we've decided on our print provider and our production partner, we then have to decide where to sell. There's plenty of places that you can list your products, and a lot of those would include things like selling directly to the customer through your own website. You can also choose to list onto a marketplace like Etsy or Faire. But what I recommend doing is setting up a Shopify account, so that way you have your own website that you can utilize and customize to your liking. You own all of the data. Shopify is a fantastic commerce platform that basically allows you to plug and play and create your own storefront. And this video is all about what? Starting your brand for free. So luckily, Shopify offers a free trial, and then after the free trial, it's $1 for your first month. Once you go into Shopify and you create your account utilizing your email, it's going to take you to this page where it basically has a bunch of different options to get started on your storefront. Having this account is the first step to then going back to Gelato and linking the two together so we can get our products linked from Gelato over to Shopify. Once you go into Gelato and you go down to stores, this is where you're going to be able to link your store and then give Shopify permission to link with Gelato, so that way we can tell Shopify that our products are going to come from Gelato, and when an order comes in through Shopify, we want to process it through Gelato. So once our shops are linked, we're going to add a product. Now I'm gonna go with the Comfort Colors C1717. This is a tried and true print-on-demand t-shirt. I've utilized them with my own shop. Quality is super nice. It's thick and offers a little bit of an oversized fit, which is exactly what I want for my streetwear brand. So for one of the designs, I'm going to just offer 2 colors, and then I'm going to design my first t-shirt simply by uploading in the designs that I created on Kittl. Once you have created your designs, you will see them in your Gelato under stores and your products here. Then, since you've linked Shopify, when you come back over to Shopify and you check your products tab, you will miraculously see both of the products that you just uploaded in there. And now we can work on designing our storefront. Shopify is really easy and it'll walk you through your setup guide. So when it comes over to customizing your theme, this is a really great place to set up the aesthetics and the visuals of how you want your shop to look. You can choose between a ton of free, like I said it, free options, or you can choose to buy one. I honestly just recommend going with one of the free options because it's pretty much great. I think I even read a statistic that Hailey Bieber's brand utilizes a free option, and there's really no need for spending a lot of money on a paid one. I'm gonna go in and just quickly customize my theme utilizing stock images for now, but you can go in and you can completely edit these to your liking in the future. And then once you've made some tweaks to your Shopify store, you can go over here to the View Your Store button. and you can see the edits that you've made and your catalog of the products that you have linked from Gelato. And so you can see here, I went in and added a couple of cuter mock-ups to my tees, and you can see the pricing flowing in as if it was set on Gelato. So now it comes down to promoting your products. So sending this out to your friends and your family, or promoting via your social media. So that way, when somebody comes into your shop and purchases this, that purchase immediately means that you make the money, and that product and that order links to Gelato, and Gelato will then print, package, and ship for you. So you're never out any money when these orders. If this has been helpful whatsoever, please like and subscribe for more content like this. I post weekly. Please send this to a local small business owner if they've been interested in starting their own merch line or opening up another income stream. This is a super easy way and something you can do for $0 today.